And we want to have some laughs, but we want to learn a little something too today. And I got to tell you, I've researched this. This notion of laughter is medical. We've all heard that before. I've gone through the medical studies. I've gone through the literature. And we all know what a chore it is to interpret these medical studies, right? New study every day contradicts an old study. Some of them are just plain odd. Did anybody see this? 60 Minutes got a hold of this one. A full segment they did on dogs in healthcare. I see some nods. Dogs with their keen sense of smell were shown in this study to be effective in detecting bladder cancer by sniffing patients' urine samples. This is true. I see some nods. Yeah, you give them a test tube, they go nuts barking if they detect bladder cancer. So 21 years of school, and now I'm in danger of losing my job to a poodle, folks. I think we're going to have different breeds eventually for different specialties, you know? If you're choking on something, you need to see the retriever, right? Here, I'm like a new patient. Go get him, go get him. If you're anemic, you need the bloodhound. And if you have any kind of GI issues, well, you need a referral to the Shih Tzu. So... we're going to be making our copay soon in kibbles and bits, folks. Scheduling follow-up visits for a game of fetch, a face lick, and a leg humping, you know? I mean... that's why dogs are always sniffing each other. They're paranoid about cancer. And did you see, speaking of the dogs, Eli Lilly just got approval for Prozac for dogs? I always thought we tested on animals, but apparently the last 40 years, the dogs have been testing Prozac on us first. Since when are they depressed, the dogs? I guess the ones working in healthcare, sniffing urine samples all day long. They're, you know, working like dogs. So, we still test on the mice, though. We still test on mice. This was a study I read recently about a new drug that showed promise in shrinking prostate tumors in mice. Yeah, my first thought was, who's doing the prostate exams on these mice? M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E! This is Goofy. Who moved my cheese?